Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another episode of Baba's Halal Kitchen. I'm Hussain Baba. You would have noticed my background is different this time from my previous shows. Yes, I'm doing an outdoor cooking. Now, as you know, most of us are at home now because of this crisis. And of course, many have lost their jobs and some on tight budgets. So I thought of introducing some recipe which is easier to cook and also within budget. So I will call it budget recipe. And for those who have not been cooking before, they can learn it. It's very easy, right? It's easy cooking, but it's delicious and also within budget. So watch how. Okay, now of course we need to know what's the ingredient. So Mr. Cameraman, can you come closer? Have a look at the ingredient. Okay, here we have a mixed vegetable, one beaten egg. We have a noodle, cake, and soya sauce. Remember, it's light soya sauce, not dark soya sauce, okay? So get light soya sauce, and then oil and pepper, and of course the salt. Alright, now, it says, here you see the ingredient. Okay, the first thing we do is we cook the noodle. Alright, so how do we cook the noodle? We turn on the stove and we boil some water. Alright, okay, we wait till the water boils. Okay, now the water is boiling. We're going to put the noodles into it. But remember, these instant noodles, they come up with sachet like this. I normally don't use this sachet, right? I just put it away. Okay, yeah. Okay. Cameraman, please come closer. Look at the water. Water is boiling, and then we slowly place it. Okay, we leave the noodles to cook for about 2 minutes. It's fast. I don't want to overcook the noodles, so 2 minutes is more than enough. Alright? Now it's already 2 minutes, so I'm going to remove it. Look. Okay, that's right. That's good. And then 2 minutes, okay. And now the next step is to drain all the water. Okay, that's it. Okay, and we don't need this water. Okay, now we are ready to do all the ingredients. Okay, the first one to go, we put about 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, and then we have 1 beaten egg. What we want to do is make it like a scrambled egg. Look. Put it at the side, and then we add the so now we just stir it. We warm up the vegetable. We don't mix with the egg yet. Okay. Alright, then now we add a bit of black pepper. It's up to you. You can put some chili. Alright. Still keep it separate. Okay. Okay, now we start to mix it with the eggs. Then we add about 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Keep on stirring it, It's done. Okay, that's how it is. Well, there you have it. How simple was it? Easy to make, and also it's within budget. It didn't cost, I think cost about $1 Australian, right? So look at that. You have the protein, which is the egg, Then you have the veggie, which is the vitamins, and of course the noodles, the carbo, right? Okay, I'm gonna try and see how it tastes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Delicious, really delicious. So, as I said, my cooking is NED, nutritious, easy, and delicious. But this time, I'm adding a word B in front of it. Budget. It is budget. This is budget, especially men. Learn to cook this budget dish. Cook for your wife, for your loved ones, and your family. They will love it. It's really delicious. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. See you next time. Happy cooking.